Hey, what's up, man? Welcome back to my channel. On this video, we're gonna use some variables and then create a sentence or a couple sentences with them using the document.write method and the console.log method. All right, so let's get into it.
Okay, welcome back. Now, I think I want to do something. So let's try this, right? So let me put a script tag really quick. And we call the source index2.js. Close the script. Again, remember always save and double check, or at least try to double check. I know I know sometimes you just want to keep going, but let's just double check. All right, so it looks like it's working. All right, I was thinking about doing a. All right, let's try this. So I'm gonna create some variables right here, right? So let's do var my favorite team. My favorite team, NFL favorite team. That would be the biggest losers of this 2019 season. Dallas Cowboys, and then let's say one of my friends' favorite team. So I'm gonna put friends favorite team. Now notice how you see my variables are very descriptive, or as descriptive as I can be. Friends favorite team equals New York Giants. Let me just space this right here, and then I'm gonna tell you what I want to do. All right, so what I want to do, what I would like you to do actually is try to form a sentence creating variables, and then console logging the sentence of variables or the sentence that you create out of variables, and also do a document.write. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a few. Let's see what do you do. Let's see how you did. So I did. What I was thinking about doing this is I would do this right here. I think, not I think I know because I'm going to do it right now. So this would be. So I'm going to say we'll call it a sentence. Just say a sentence, and I'm going to equal it to a string of words. I'm going to say my favorite team. Let's fix that as well. And then I'm going to create some names. And I'm going to call this first person's name because there's going to be two people involved. And I'm going to equal this to John. And then the second person name. And I'm going to name him Joe. So whatever, man, like basic names. So here we go. And then the sentence and the console log, it will look like this. So do console.log. Right, so I want to say, let me just say, start with this, what's up? So I'm going to say, what's up? Now notice I put this backslash there because I'm using single quotes to do strings. Because I'm using that, I have to use a backslash here with an additional single string. So the program can read it as just an apostrophe of a letter or for a word, if you catch my drift. So I'm gonna say, what's up? Add this plus, and then I'm gonna say John's favorite team. So I would say first person name. And then I'm gonna say, then next I have to say, or it will say favorite team, another plus. Actually, no, comma. I'm gonna put a sentence and then I add a plus here. I'm gonna add some quotes here for a string, and I'm gonna say is space quote plus, actually is the my favorite team. Let's just say my favorite team. Semicolon. And then if I save that, let's see if it works. Let's pray. Hey, it worked. So I say, what's up, John? What's up? It says, what's up, John's. It looks like a double space right here. Favorite team is Dallas Cowboys. So the saying is not all that great. So let's say what's up. Let's put a comma right here between up and John. So that is easy. I just add a comma right here because it's inside the string, and then I can save it. You know, and it will be like it looks like it'll be like testing code. There goes the comma right there, and then John looks like a double space right here. So I will go back in here, and well, because first person name, I would say I would back that up like that, or backspace, save, check it again. No, that's not correct. That's not correct. So first person. Okay. I see. Because a sentence is double. It's double spaces. There's a space here after the comma, which will give it a space to this variable, and then also there's a space here inside the string between the quotes. So if I just delete that or delete that space, save, rerun it, hopefully it'll work. Oh, there it is right there. So now it says, what's up, John? Favorite team is the Dallas Cowboys. See, it's another double space right there. So in favorite team, so that means I can just back this one up as well because I'm already using it right here. I'm using spaces right here. And it says, what's up, John? So here, what I could do is, I think what I could do is delete this, add a plus, and then in the quotes, I can say, I can do one of these. Take that. And I think that would work. Let's try it. Okay, it worked, but this time, but it did work, but now there's no, actually, you know what? We'll just scratch that. And then we'll space it here. I just added an S right here. And then when I refresh, John's favorite team is Dallas Cowboys. See, now the console has a full sentence. And I just did that by creating variables. Now, if I want to make the same results into the browser, all I gotta do is do the document.write method. It'll look like this: document.write. I'm gonna write the same. I like to type out my stuff, like I mentioned in other videos, but I'm telling you again. So I'm saying, what's up? Hopefully this time around it will be like experimental on this line of code, like it was in the console.log line of code. So we'll just keep it moving from there. So I'm gonna say second person name plus, I'm gonna add the S, space it. Oops. I'm gonna put a sentence, another plus. Let me space it here for consistency so I can understand what I'm reading. And then I'm gonna add And this one I'm gonna put friends, favorite team. So just to complete the sentence. Semicolon. Let's save it. Let's hope that it worked on the first try flawlessly. Not like the last one I had to make some like sentence or grammar fixing in the line of code. Let's see. Bam, there it goes right there. What's up? Joe's favorite team is the New York Giants. Okay, so as you can see here now, I just created 2 sentences just using, for the most part, variables. Just, these are values that I created. Well, these are containers, I would say, of things. In this case, my favorite teams, other people's favorite teams, and then I use a sentence, a favorite team, so I could load up that variable with that value, so I can just throw the variable name out there. And I guess you could say the value in this is that now, when you load something in a variable, you don't have to recreate that variable over and over. You can carry this variable around and reuse it whenever you need it. So I can say here, for example, and say tomorrow night's game is between my favorite team versus, like this, friend's favorite team. Let's check it. Well, let's save it, check it. And there it goes right here. Tomorrow night's game is between the Dallas Cowboys and versus New York Giants. And put a space there, so we'll do that. Hopefully that works. There it goes. Tomorrow night's game is between the Dallas Cowboys versus the New York Giants, in which they beat every time. So it's all good. All right, so this concludes my video on this portion. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like what I do, subscribe to my channel.